Hi friends, welcome to My Magical Hands. My Magical Hands starts Madhubani painting tutorial. This is absolutely for beginners. So we are starting from tutorial 1. For more tutorial update, subscribe my channel. In tutorial 1, we will see about introduction of Madhubani, Madhubani styles, basic strokes of Madhubani for beginners to practice. Part 1. Introduction of Madhubani. Madhubani art is a type of Indian folk painting. It is originated from Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar. So only it's called as Mithila painting also. Next we will come to base. Traditionally, Madhubani paintings were done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts. But now done on cloth, handmade papers and canvas. Next we will come to tools. This Madhubani painting is done with a variety of tools, including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens, and matchsticks. Nowadays, it can be done with markers and even fountain pens. Next one is colors. Madhubani painting is done by using natural dyes and pigments. Mostly solid colors are used in Madhubani painting. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with nature and scenes from ancient epics. Second part is Madhubani styles. In this video, we will see very short note on Madhubani styles. In separate video, we will discuss briefly about Madhubani styles. Madhubani painting has 5 distinctive styles: Barni, Kachni, Tandrik, Gonda, Kobar. In 1960s, Barni, Kachni and Tantric styles were mainly done by Brahman Kayash women, who are upper caste women in India and Nepal. Their themes were mainly religious and they depicted gods and goddesses paintings. People of lower caste included aspects of their daily life and symbols, the story of Raja Sailesh, god of that village, and much more. Nowadays, Madhubani has become globalized art form, so there is no caste system. But today, these 5 different styles have been merged by contemporary artists. Part 3 is basic strokes involved in Madhubani painting to practice for beginners. In basic strokes of Madhubani, first we will discuss about lines. First, we have to draw the horizontal line like this with the equal distance. Next one is standing line. Standing line also we have to concentrate on equal distance. Next is slanting line. Practice the slanting line like this. Next we have to make checked like this. Mostly for Kachni style we used line filling only, not much colors. But for Barni style, we use solid colors to shade and fill the pictures. So practicing these lines uses in making the Kachni style of Madhubani. Second one in basic stroke is curve. We have to practice the curve like this. It can be very useful in filling and drawing also. We can make the curves like this and like zigzag curves, like the bended curves. Like this also we can make. This type is very useful in fish scale is there, no? In that part we can use more. Third one in basic stroke of Madhubani is spiral. Spirals are used in borders, fillings and to draw the elements like branches of trees or plants. We can make the plants and branches of tree like this using spirals. We can use this as a border also. In spirals, we can make many types like this. So do practice with that. So only you can get a free flow when doing the Madhubani painting. So only it's very important. While looking, it looks very easy. But when doing, it's not coming properly. So only practice more lines, curves and spirals, circles like this. Fourth one is semicircle. Semicircle, we have to draw like 3 lines or 4 lines or 5 lines like this. We can use the semicircles for filling in Kachni style of Madhubani, and we can use as a border also. We can make semicircle like this. You draw the semicircles, 3 semicircles, next 3, next 3, then above that 3 semicircles, in between the 2, like this you can make. You can make in vertical direction also. It gives different look. We can make in peacock filling and that fish filling and all, we can use this one. Fifth one is circle. When saying, it's very easy, but when doing, it's not coming properly. So just try to make different sizes of circles. Then only you can get free flow in circle while doing the Madhubani painting. We can use this circle in borders and in fillings and in the center part of the flowers like that. See, I just show you how to make the flower with the center circle like this. So everybody practice these basic strokes in Madhubani, then only you can get a free flow of these strokes while doing in Madhubani painting. I hope all are like this video. If you are like this video, like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe My Magical Hands. Press the bell button to get future video notification. Happy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.